Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello and good afternoon students. We'll be talking about centrifugal pumps, cavitation of centrifugal pumps. We've already seen what priming is. Now we'll talk about the cavitation in pumps. Okay, so let's see what cavitation exactly is. It is a concept just as we saw what priming is. Cavitation also is a concept. So let me tell you what cavitation exactly means. Suppose you're pumping water and the pressure at any point in the pump reduces below the vapor pressure at a given temperature. So what happens is when the pressure reduces below the vapor pressure, there are bubbles formed, and these bubbles they keep on traveling throughout the pump, and when these bubbles reach a region where the pressure is very high, they burst. And when these bubbles burst, it creates a lot of noise, we call it as knocking. And when these bubbles burst, the empty space has to be filled, the water rushes into the empty space, and that creates a lot of noise and knocking. So this is called cavitation. It can create pits in the pump, and hence it should be avoided. So the next question arises, what are the remedies, what are the ways in which you can prevent cavitation? So the various ways in which you can prevent cavitation is by helping the temperature to be low. So when you maintain the temperature low, the pressure required for cavitation is very low. So once you maintain the temperature low, the pressure required is also low, so there are chances that cavitation will not happen. But you cannot guarantee. The pump has to be designed properly. The fluid that is flowing, it has to be having a very high vapor pressure. So these are the things that you need to remember before you design a pump, and the kind of fluid that you're using. So it's very important to avoid cavitation because it creates a lot of complication. It may damage the material of the pump. It creates a lot of noise. We call it as knocking. Hence, we should avoid this, and we should take care that cavitation doesn't happen at all. So I hope you've understood about this topic. Thank you.